Unity in diversity, many in the one. What makes India unique? It's the amazing mix of people, languages, foods, clothes, festivals, music, and stories, many differences living together as one nation. This beautiful idea is called unity in diversity. What is diversity? Diversity means variety, people look different, speak different languages, follow different customs and faiths, and eat different foods. Far from dividing us, diversity enriches life. It brings cultural exchange through festivals, cuisines, art, and dress. It supports better representation and fairer decisions in governance. It fuels economic growth by combining different skills and ideas. It builds tolerance, empathy, and social harmony. India's rich tapestry. India's diversity shows in its landscapes, Himalayas, deserts, plains, coasts, and rainforests, and in its people. The country has 22 official languages and hundreds of dialects. From Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu and Gujarati to Urdu, Punjabi, Assamese and more, each carries stories, songs, and wisdom. As Jawaharlal Nehru wrote in The Discovery of India, Indian unity springs from deep acceptance and broad tolerance. Food for all. North India loves wheat dishes like chapati and paratha, and the South is known for idli, dosa, and rice. Yet across regions, staples such as rice, wheat, millets, pulses, and spices like turmeric, chili, cumin, and ginger bind our plates together. Think of the humble potato, one ingredient turned into pakora, paratha, poha, dosa filling, tikki, and more. The Indian thali perfectly symbolizes unity in diversity, many flavors, sweet, sour, tangy, spicy, served together on one plate. Textiles and clothing. India's fabrics tell regional stories, Banarsi silk, Uttar Pradesh, Kanjivaram, Tamil Nadu, Bandhani, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Pashmina, Kashmir, Kanta, Bengal. People across India wear and admire these styles, creating unity through shared pride. The sari is a national emblem, woven in countless traditions and draped in many ways, Nivi, Bengali, Gujarati, Nawari, Kurgi, Madisar, Sambalpuri. Though styles differ, the sari's grace unites women across regions. Festivals that connect. India celebrates many festivals, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Durga Puja, Navratri, Bihu, Pongal, often with regional variations. Diwali marks Rama's return in the north, Narka Chaturdashi in parts of the south, and Kali Puja in the east. Makar Sankranti is Pongal, Tamil Nadu, Magh Bihu, Assam, Khichdi Parv, Uttar Pradesh. National days, Independence Day and Republic Day, bring the whole country together in pride. Literature and the arts. With many languages come many literatures, yet common values shine through. Love, duty, truth, and justice. Saints and poets like Kabir, Guru Nanak, Tulsidas, and Amir Khusro spread messages of harmony. The Panchtantra traveled the world in dozens of languages. Our epics, the Ramayana and Mahabharata, live in countless regional retellings, folk performances, songs, paintings, dance, theatre, and sculpture. Different forms, shared morals.